Hey there YouTube. Today I'm reviewing the T-Fal Jumbo Non-Stick Cooker here. It's 5.5 quarts. It's article number 109-2330. There's the UPC. Make sure you're looking at the right thing. Alright, here is some turkey, which is a very dry meat, very lean. And see how easily this slides. And I have it on medium right now. Let me turn it up to high here. But I've cooked this from raw, and it's almost done now. Got a little bit more to cook, but look at that. But you'll see, okay, now it's on hot, and you'll see that the turkey is still not sticking. This pan is pretty amazing. You're going to want to use plastic utensils with it though. I'm not going to try to use metal ones and ruin my pan like I did last time, which is why I had to purchase this. And look at that. It's so hot and it's not sticking. Amazing. Comes with a lid. Fits perfectly on there. Has a little vent so the steam comes out here and not around the edges. It's nice. Look at that. And now this is so hot, it really should start to stick to the pan, considering there's no fat left in this meat. But nothing's sticking. So, I note that while holding this, not hot at all. This is a little warm. I feel like the rubber coating on this side could be thicker, because I can feel the heat coming through this. And if I was cooking this for much longer, I feel like this would be warm, really warm to the touch. Meat's completely cooked. Not sticking at all. Alright, and this is how easy it is to clean. All the dried on stuff there. The dog enjoys that. Ta-da!